And time for me to give you a couple of invites din coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Naku, maraming exciting offers na naman para sa mga mahilig mag-mall, syempre. Okay, mga mall goers natin na tropa dyan, mga kaibigan natin. Okay, eto na. SM is having a book donation drive. Ayan, part of their CSR, syempre. Okay, it's gonna be for a good cause. So drop your books at SM City, Olongapo Downtown, or SM Central pwede rin. Okay, at SM Supermalls, actually, all the supermalls around the world, the Philippines, in celebration of their 40th anniversary. Okay, so they are creating memories and sharing stories that matter. Okay. Kung may mga books kayo na natutulog lang sa bahay, donate nyo na lang, di ba? Ibibigay din nila yan sa mga sa mga library around the country para sa the books are for the National Library of the Philippines. Ayan, and affiliate libraries as well. Okay? So, napakagandang adhikain, di ba? All right. And Coffee Fest. July 15 to 31 is Coffee Fest at all SM Supermalls. We bring you Coffee Fest, Coffee and Friends Hangout at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. O, yung mga mahilig magkape. Alam niyo bang coffee is the world's most popular drink? Yeah? Ako, I wake up at 6 a.m. 6:02, second cup na. The time of the month is San Marcelino, Zambales. July 1 to 31, may mga special perks if you're from San Marcelino, Zambales. But of course, you need to bring your ID, a proof that you are from San Marcelino. Okay? Also, this adventure offer free 2 passes to Sinagtan Farm Resort Adventure Park with a minimum 3,000 single receipt spent from July 1 to 31, and it's at the SM store, SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay, so check it out. Free Sinagtala passes for 2. All right, and tickets are now on sale for the Hybe Cinefest in Asia. Okay, get to see on the big screen your favorite K-pop group, BTS, 17, TXT, and Hypen, Le Sserafim, and Team, Door, TWS, Illit, Cat's Eye, and more. Okay, so buy your tickets now, and the duration date is from July 10 to 13, exclusive at SM City Olongapo Central Cinema. Okay. SM Downtown's Company of the Month is Juken Sangyo. Okay, from July 1 to 31, there are special offers if you're an employee of Juken Sangyo, July 1 to 31. And of course, you need to present your ID that says you work for Juken Sangyo. Also having the mid-year clearance sale up to 50% off on selected home essentials. All right, 50% off July 1 to 31. So you guys go check it out. The SM Home mid-year clearance sale. Kaishin is having the back-to-school promo. Special discounts for students and teachers. Up to 30% off. Just present your school IDs. All right? And Perenna's Charms and Wellness Hub is now open. If you're looking for balance, clarity, or a little boost in life, drop by at Perenna's Charms and Wellness Hub, your newest wellness destination in SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay, and lastly, in celebration of the 40 super years of SM, all right, they will be having special offers and exciting deals, wild promos that you can't miss. All right, surprises across all SM malls in celebration of the 40 super years. Everything's here at SM. Okay. And of course, syempre, kasama yung SM City Olongapo Central and Downtown din dyan. All SM malls nga, yeah, okay? So there you have the invites coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Tayo naman ang invite